Meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center. A severe thunderstorm warning is being issued for Somervell County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somervell County until 10:45. A severe thunderstorm is located near Dinosaur Valley State Park, or about 17 miles south of Granbury, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Locations impacted by the warning include Glen Rose and Dinosaur Valley State Park. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Somervell County until 10:45. A severe thunderstorm was located about 17 miles south of Granbury, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour with potential 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. WBAP Weather Center. New severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued now for portions of Hood and Johnson counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County and for East Central Hood County until 11:30. A severe thunderstorm complex is located near Glen Rose, about 13 miles south of Granbury, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to quarter-sized hail. Locations in the path of the storm will include Mansfield, Burleson, Cleburne, Joshua, Alvarado, Pecan Plantation, Godley, Cross Timber, Cleburne State Park, Ryle Vista, and Briar Oak. Also, portions of Interstate 35W could be struck by the storm, with possibly again up to quarter-size or 1-inch hail within the next 35 to 40 minutes south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Here's thunderstorm warning issued for Johnson County and for East Central Hood County until 11:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding
has issued Tornado Watch number 22, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Chambers and Galveston Bay. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Noon on storm warning for North Central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, west central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Katy, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Katy, Brookshire, southwestern Addicks Part 10, north of Eldridge, or West Oaks, Patterson, Cinco Ranch, Addicks, and Memorial. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for north central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Greater Greens Point, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Northwestern Bush Intercontinental Airport around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for north central Harris County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Greater Greens Point, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This dangerous storm expected to be near Northwestern Bush Intercontinental Airport within 5 to 10 minutes. Again, a tornado warning for north central Harris County until 5:45 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system. Remember when
Grimes County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Houston County in southeastern Texas, eastern Madison County in southeastern Texas, central Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include northern Huntsville, Navasota, Madisonville, Austonia, Trinity, Loveland, Riverside, Anderson, Iowa, Crafts Ferry, Rones Ferry, and Richards. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. This is your NOAA weather radio station. National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Trinity County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Austin County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Burleson County in southeastern Texas, Grimes County in southeastern Texas, Washington County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazos County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Houston County in southeastern Texas, Madison County in southeastern Texas, Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include College Station, Bryan, Huntsville, Brenham, Navasota, Madisonville, Austonia, Washington, Shelby, Trinity, Somerville, Lovelady, Snook, Riverside, Beedias, Industry, Burton, Milliken, Anderson, and Lake Somerville Dam. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.